today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a connection request on LinkedIn. Let's dive right in and help you expand your professional network with ease. To get started, open LinkedIn and direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the page. Type in the name of the person you're aiming to connect with. As you're typing, you might notice that LinkedIn will provide suggestions based on your input. If you spot the person's name in these suggestions, simply click on it. This will take you directly to their profile, making your task a bit quicker. If you don't see the name you're looking for right away, that's no problem at all. Just click on See All Results, which you'll find at the bottom of the suggestions. This will expand your search, allowing you to browse through more profiles until you find the right one. Once you've pinpointed the profile of the person you wish to connect with, click to open it. You'll notice at least two options here: message and follow. If you're only interested in keeping up with their posts and updates without fully connecting, feel free to hit follow. However, since we're focusing on sending a connection request, we'll need to take a different route. Look for the More button. It's typically right next to the message and follow options, and give it a click. A drop-down menu will appear. Here you'll see the Connect option. Selecting this will bring you closer to establishing a new connection. Before you send your request, there's an important decision to make. Would you like to include a note with your request? Adding a personal note can be a thoughtful touch, allowing you to introduce yourself or explain why you're eager to connect. It can help make your request more personal and stand out, especially if you don't already have a direct relationship with the person. However, it's entirely optional. Whether you choose to send the request with a note or without one, simply make your choice and proceed. Now that you've decided, the final step is to click Send. And just like that, your connection request is on its way. Now all you have to do is wait for them to accept it. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope this walkthrough was helpful and made the process of connecting with others on LinkedIn straightforward for you. If you found value in this video, we'd really appreciate it if you could like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon as well. That way you'll receive notifications whenever we upload new content.